Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson Mekanati Mayan Al Arabiyati Al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Today we are going to study the next verse, that is from Surah Al Baqarah from 106 to 126. اليوم سوف ندرس الآية من 106 إلى 110 من سورة البقرة. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ما ننسخ من آية أو ننسها نأتي بخير منها أو مثلها ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير ألم تعلم أن الله له ملك السماوات والأرض وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير أم تريدون أن تسألوا رسولكم كما سئل موسى من قبل ومن يتبدل الكفر بالإيمان فقد ضل سواء السبيل ود كثير من أهل الكتاب لا يردونكم من بعد إيمانكم كفارا حسدا من عند أنفسهم من بعد ما تبين لهم الحق فاعفوا واصفحوا حتى يأتي الله بأمره إن الله على كل شيء قدير وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله إن الله بما تعملون بصير وقالوا لن يدخل الجنة إلا من كان هودا أو نصارى تلك أمانيهم قل هاتوا برهانكم إن كنتم صادقين بلى من أسلم وجهه لله وهو محسن فله أجره عند ربه ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. So what does it mean in English? None of our revelation do we abrogate or cause to be forgotten, but we substitute something better or similar. Knowest thou not that Allah hath power over all things? Knowest thou not that to Allah belongeth the dominion of the heavens and the earth? And besides him ye have neither patron nor helper. Would ye caution your apostle as Moses was cautioned of old? But whoever changeth from faith to unbelief hath strayed without doubt from the even way. Quite a number of the people of the book wish they could turn you people back to infidelity after ye have believed from selfish envy, after the truth hath become manifest unto them, but forgive and overlook till Allah accomplish his purpose. For Allah hath power over all things. And be steadfast in prayer and regular in charity, and whatever good ye send forth for your souls before you, ye shall find it with Allah, for Allah sees well all that ye do. And they say, none shall enter paradise unless he be a Jew or a Christian. Those are their vain desires. Say, produce you proof if they are truthful. Nay, whoever submits his whole self to Allah and is a doer of good, he will get his reward with his Lord. On such shall be no fear, nor shall they grieve. Now next verse comes from 113 to 119. وَقَالَتِ الْيَهُودُ لَيْسَتِ النَّصَارَى عَلَى شَيْءٍ وَقَالَتِ النَّصَارَى لَيْسَتِ الْيَهُودُ عَلَى شَيْءٍ وَهُمْ يَتْلُونَ الْكِتَابَ كَذَلِكَ قَالَ الَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ مِثْلَ قَوْلِهِمْ فَاللَّهُ يَحْكُمُ بَيْنَهُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ مَنَعَ مَسَاجِدَ اللَّهِ أَنْ يُذْكَرَ فِيهَا اسْمُهُ وَسَعَىٰ فِي خَرَابِهَا أُولَٰئِكَ مَا كَانَ لَهُمْ أَنْ يَدْخُلُوهَا إِلَّا خَائِفِينَ لَهُمْ فِي الدُّنْيَا خِزْيٌ وَلَهُمْ فِي الْآخِرَةِ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا سُبْحَانَ اللَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ كُلٌّ لَهُ قَانِتُونَ بَدِيعُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِذَا قَضَىٰ أَمْرًا فَإِنَّمَا يَقُولُ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونُ وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ لَا يُكَلِّمُنَا اللَّهُ أَوْ تَأْتِينَا آيَةٌ كَذَلِكَ قَالَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ مِثْلَ قَوْلِهِمْ تَشَابَهَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ قَدْ بَيَّنَّا الْآيَاتِ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ إِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَلَا تُسْأَلُ عَنْ أَصْحَابِ الْجَحِيمِ. So what does it mean in English? The Jews say the Christians have not to stand upon, and the Christians say the Jews have not to stand upon, yet they profess to study the same book. Like unto their word is what they say, who know not, but Allah will judge between them in the quarrel on the day of judgment. And who is more unjust than he who forbids that in places for the worship of Allah, Allah's name should be celebrated, whose zeal is in fact to ruin them? It was not fitting that such should themselves enter them except in fear. For them there is nothing but disgrace in this world, and in the world to come an exceeding torment. To Allah belong the east and the west. Whithersoever ye turn, there is the presence of Allah, for Allah is all-pervading, all-knowing. They say, Allah hath begotten a son. Glory be to him. Nay, to him belongs all that is in the heavens and on the earth. Everything renders worship to him. To him is due the primal origin of the heavens and the earth. When he discreet a matter, he with to it be, and it is say, those without knowledge, why speaketh not Allah unto us? Or why cometh not unto us a sign? So said the people before them, words of similar import, their hearts are alike. We have indeed made the clear signs, we have indeed made clear the signs unto any people who hold firmly to faith in their hearts. Verily, we have sent thee in truth as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner. But of thee no question shall be asked of the companions of the blazing fire. So now next comes verse 120 to 126. وَلَنْ تَرْضَىٰ عَنْكَ Yahuda wala nasara hata tatabi'a milatahum kul inna hudallahi huwal huda wala inni tabata hawa ahum badalazi ja'aka minna ilmi ma laka minna lahi min wali yi anwa la nasir allazina atayna humul kitaba yatlawnahu haqqa tilawatihi ulaika yu'minuna bi wa man yakfur bihi faulaika humul khasirun ya bansi israila zakuru ni'matiyallati an'amtu alaykum wa ani fadda'altukum alal alamin wa taqaw yawman la tajzi nafsun an nafsin shay'an wa la yuqbalu minha adlun wa la tanfa'uha shafa'atun wa lahum yunsarun wa is ibtala Ibrahima rabbuhu bi kalimatin fatamahun kala inni ja'iluka linnasi imam kala wa min zuriyati kala la yanalu adiz zalimin wa is ja'alnal baita matha bata li nasi wa amna wa takhizau mim makami Ibrahima musalla wa ahidna illa Ibrahima wa Ismaila an tahira betiya lita ifina wala kifina wa rukka is sujud wa is kala Ibrahimu rabbi jal haza baladan aminan wa razuk ahlahu minnat tha marati man amana minhum billahi wal yawmil akhir kala wa man kafara fa ummati uhu kalilan thumma turohu ila azabin nar wa bi sal masir. So what does it mean in English? Never will the Jews or the Christians be satisfied with thee unless thou follow their form of religion, say the guidance of Allah, that is the only guidance. Wert thou to follow their desires after the knowledge which hath reached thee, then wouldst thou find neither protector nor helper against Allah. Those to whom we have sent the book study it as it should be studied. They are the ones that believe therein. Those who reject faith therein, the loss is their own. O children of Israel, call to mind the special favor which I bestowed upon you, and that I preferred you to all others for my message. Then guard yourselves against a day when one soul shall not avail another, nor shall compensation be accepted from her, nor shall intercession profit her, nor shall anyone be held from outside. And remember that Abraham was tried by his Lord with certain commands which he fulfilled. He said, I will make thee an imam to the nations, he pleaded, and also the imams from my offspring, he answered. But my promise is not within the reach of evildoers. Remember, we made the house a place of assembly for men and a place of safety, and take ye the station of Abraham as a place of prayer. And we covenanted with Abraham and Ismail that they should sanctify my house for those who compass it round or use it as a retreat or bow or prostrate themselves therein in prayer. And remember, Abraham said, my Lord, make this a city of peace. Make this a city of peace, and feed its people with fruits, such of them as believe in Allah And the last day he said, Yea, and such as reject faith for a while will I grant them their pleasure, but will soon drive them to the torment of fire and evil destination indeed. Hada kullu sheh in lihada liyomi. So that's all for today. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسون من قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. Shukran. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.